Rashtriya Loktantrik Party is an Indian political party in the state of Rajasthan. The party was founded by rebel Bharatiya Janata Party leader Hanuman Beniwal on the eve of the 2018 Rajasthan Legislative Assembly election. The party entered into an alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party on the eve of the 2019 Indian general election. It has extended its support to the 2020 Bharat Band and the Indian farmers' protest. Hanuman Beniwal was suspended by the Bharatiya Janata Party due to disagreements and corruption allegations against the senior leadership of the party. He had become an independent member of the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly. In 2018, Beniwal conducted the Hunker rally before the upcoming Legislative Assembly election and formed the Rashtriya Loktantrik Party, which was supported by Ghanshyam Tiwari, Jayant Chaudhary and Sanjay Lathar. The party received support from members of the Jack community and was able to have its representatives elected on 3 seats of the Legislative Assembly. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.